What if I told you that within just 20 minutes of your very last cigarette, your body begins a radical transformation that could add years to your life? Most people think the damage from smoking is permanent or that it takes decades to see a difference. But the truth is, your body is a masterpiece of self-healing. From the moment you stop, your cells, your heart, and your lungs begin a frantic race to repair the damage. Today, we're going to look at the minute-by-minute timeline of exactly what happens to your body when you quit smoking. From the first hour to the next 15 years. The journey starts faster than you might imagine. Just 20 minutes after your last puff, your heart rate and blood pressure, which were artificially spiked by nicotine, begin to drop back toward normal levels. Within 12 hours, the healing moves to your blood. Smoking fills your bloodstream with carbon monoxide, a toxic gas that prevents oxygen from reaching your vital organs. In less than half a day, the carbon monoxide levels in your body drop to normal, allowing your oxygen levels to surge. For the first time in a long time, your heart doesn't have to pump nearly as hard to get oxygen to your brain and muscles. By the second and third days, things get a bit more intense but also more rewarding. As the nicotine completely leaves your system, your sense of taste and smell, which were dulled by the chemicals in tobacco, begin to sharpen. Food tastes better and scents are more vivid. However, this is also when withdrawal symptoms peak. You might feel irritable or experience cravings, but this is actually a sign that your brain is readjusting to life without a chemical crutch. At the 72-hour mark, your bronchial tubes inside your lungs begin to relax. Breathing becomes noticeably easier and your energy levels start to climb. Between 2 weeks and 3 months after quitting, your physical stamina reaches a new level. Your blood circulation improves significantly, and your lung function increases by up to 30%. This is the period where the smoker's cough often starts to disappear. Inside your lungs, tiny hair-like structures called cilia, which were paralyzed by smoke, begin to wake up. These cilia are your body's natural cleaning crew. They start sweeping mucus and debris out of your lungs, drastically reducing your risk of infection. Your skin also begins to look healthier as blood flow to the surface increases, giving you a natural glow. The long-term milestones are where the life-saving magic really happens. 1 year after quitting, your added risk of coronary heart disease drops by a staggering 50% compared to when you were smoking. By year 5, your risk of having a stroke is reduced to that of a non-smoker in many cases. After 10 years, your risk of dying from lung cancer is cut in half, and your risk of developing cancers of the mouth, throat, and esophagus decreases significantly. Finally, after 15 years of being smoke-free, your risk of heart disease is the same as someone who has never touched a cigarette in their life. Quitting smoking isn't just about avoiding death. It's about reclaiming the quality of your life. Every hour you go without a cigarette is a victory for your internal organs. It is never too late to start this timeline, and your body is waiting for the chance to heal itself. If you found this breakdown helpful, please hit the like button and share your own journey or tips for quitting in the comments below. Don't forget to share this video with someone who needs that extra bit of motivation today, and subscribe for more health and science deep dives. Thanks for watching.